how to make money on Upwork as a presentation specialist. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started by creating our account. So here, let's create our account. I'm a freelancer looking for work. Make sure to join as a freelancer. Then click on apply as a freelancer. And here you fill the usual information, first name, last name, email, and so on. Then click on create my account. Then I will meet you at the profile creation just to log in into my account. It's verifying now. And this is the profile creation, and as you can see, this is the last step of the profile creation. So let's start from the beginning. Let's go back to the first steps. And this is the first step. So here, let's click on get started to proceed to answer a few questions. So here, have you freelanced before? Choose the answer that fits your situation. Then you do the same with this other question. What's your biggest goal for freelancing? Choose the answer that fits you as well. And then for these boxes, make sure to check them all. Even the third one in here. Then click on next to create a profile. And here you have 3 options to choose from. If you want to import your resume from LinkedIn, or you want to upload your resume if you have it in your desktop in a PDF file, or if you want to fill it out manually, it will take less than 15 minutes. So it's good filling it out manually. Start a new profile, and here you enter your skill. Then you add your experience. Click on the plus button to add your previous work experience. Same thing with education as well. You can add your education history in here. After that, you click on next to add your languages. So English in this platform is a must. So my level in English is conversational. Then we have the button to add more languages. So I will add 2 more, Arabic and French. Arabic is my native language, and French, I studied it in school, and my level in it is basic. Then click on next to add your skills. So here you can enter your skills. You can enter maximum 15 skills. So there is enough room for a lot of skills. So we have some suggested skills based on our previous answer. Let's go with presentations, presentation design, business presentation. Let's look for pitch. Let's see if we can find something else about presentations. Presentation slide, and I think that's enough. Then click on next to write an overview. So here you write a bio to tell the world all about yourself, and this is an example of a bio, a small talk, and some bullet points. So guys, in order to enter a good bio for your profile, just go to ChatGPT, type I'm a presentation specialist, give me a bio for my Upwork profile, and it will give you a very good bio. You will need just to adjust the information that's in there, add some things or remove some things to it, some adjustments, then copy and paste it in here. For me, I'm just going to take Marty's bio. I don't want to make the video too long by going to ChatGPT. After that, click on next to choose your categories. So here they've already suggested a service for us, which is graphic, editorial, and presentation design. Let's choose it, and let's see if there is something else that we can add to this. Design and creative, and here, let's see. I think that's all we will need to add. Then click on next to set your rate or your hourly price. Let's go with $40 per hour. Then click on next to add your photo and location. So here make sure to fill all of these information and make sure to upload your photo as well. And as you can see in here, show clients the best version of yourself. It must be an actual photo of you. Logos, clip art, group photos, and digitally altered images are not allowed. So keep that in mind, guys. And after you're done with all of the profile creation, this is how you're going to improve it. Let's go to the main page. I'm going to log out, but you don't need to log out from your profile. You can just proceed to the main page. And basically the idea of improving your profile is like this. You'll just go to the search box, type your skill in that search box, and see all of the competitors in your field, all of the ones that are doing the same skill as you, and try to find the highest earners in there and see what are they doing differently. Try to copy their methods, see what are they talking about in their bio. So here let's look for our competitors and let's see who's the highest earner. So we have this one. He earned more than 60 grand and he gets $45 per hour. This one earned more than $100,000 and he gets $95 per hour. He's a pitch deck expert, PowerPoint specialist, and he raised more than 200 million plus dollars. So that's impressive. I think that's the highest earner in the platform, I guess. And we have another one in here, and she's a graphic designer, presentation specialist, and illustrator, and she gets $210 per hour, and she earned more than $100,000 per in her own profile. So let's check the second page to see if we can find someone with more money. Another one, more than 100,000, 60 grand, 20, 300. So I think the highest earner is this one. I think this is the highest earner, but this one is getting more hourly rate than him. So I will choose this one, see what is she talking about in her bio, and spy on what she's doing and try to imply that in my account. And in order to find work in this platform, you will need to go to find work, click on find work for your skills, and enter your skill in this search box, and you will see all of the listed jobs that are looking for your skill. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.